Welcome! If you're looking to make your Discord experience even better by showing embeds and previewing links right inside your chat, you're in the right place. Today, I'll walk you through the simple steps to enable this feature on Discord Web using your PC, especially with the latest update. Let's get started. First, open your preferred web browser and head over to the Discord website. Log in with your account if you haven't already. Once you're in, look to the bottom left corner of your screen. You'll see your username and avatar. Right next to them is a small gear icon. Click on that gear icon to open your user settings. Now you're inside the settings menu. On the left sidebar, you'll see a list of different sections. Scroll through until you find the section labeled Chat. Go ahead and click on it. This is where you can customize how messages and links appear in your chats. Inside the chat settings, look for the area called Embeds and Link Previews. Here's where the magic happens. You'll see an option that says Show Embeds and Preview Website Links pasted into chat. If this feature isn't already enabled, simply click the toggle switch to turn it on. When it's enabled, Discord will automatically display rich previews of websites and media whenever you or anyone else pastes a link into the chat. This not only makes your conversations more interactive, but it also helps you and your friends see what's behind a link before clicking it. Whether it's a YouTube video, a tweet, or an interesting article, you'll get a quick preview right in your chat window. And that's it! You've successfully enabled embeds and link previews on Discord Web. Now, every time you paste a link, you'll see a handy preview, making your chats more engaging and informative. If you ever want to turn this feature off, just head back to the same setting and toggle it off. Thanks for watching. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips on making the most out of your favorite apps.